Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am not here with any particular stitch but with some simple techniques which you will feel great to know, and it's great way of working your initial stitches. Okay, so I am talking about chainless foundation stitches. For that I am using Barbie Pink Hobby Store Aran yarn. It's premium, 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, medium weight 4, and its color code is 2036. Okay, and I'll be using a Clover J hook which is 6 mm. Fine. Generally, to begin with, we always start with chains. So many number of chains. Suppose they say we need 20 single crochets, we chain 20 plus 1, 21 chains, and then work the single crochet from the second chain and continue till the end. Similarly, for other stitches also we make the extra chains, but instead of that we can start off our base with chainless foundation stitches. To begin with, I shall demonstrate how to make chainless foundation single crochets. So to begin with, insert a hook from top to down, and I'm not making slip knot, I'm just making the first chain. Make one more chain and then insert your hook in the first chain, pick up the yarn and pull through. Hold it like this, then yarn over, pull through 1. This forms the base of your single crochet, and you have 2 loops on the hook. This loop which you pull through now, it's going to form the side of your single crochet, and this will become the top of your single crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2, and all this while keep holding this because we are going to work under this, and then you can pull this yarn. Make it tight. So one single crochet is done now. Now you have one V on your right, and there is a stitch on the top here or to the side, and there is a V at the bottom here. We need to insert our hook into the bottom V, that is, which is to the left. First stitch may be little difficult because we have made it little tight. Don't make it too tight. Pick up the yarn and pull through that. So now you'll have 2 loops on the hook. All that you have to do is make it even height. Yarn over, pull through 1 first, form the base of the single crochet, hold the base, yarn over and pull through 2. Second single crochet is done. I am asking you to hold this because next you are going to work under this V. Again insert under this V. Pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will see that the single crochets are being formed. So let's make few more. Insert into the bottom V, pull through 1 first and then pull through 2. So every single crochet will have a top V, bottom V and a side V. So you can make as many stitches as you like in this way, and when you are working in rounds, this is a great way to work, because when you start chaining a long chain and when you try to join them, there is every chance of getting that chain twisted. I shall show you how to work in the circle with long chains without twisting, also twisting the chains, joining without twisting. Pull through 1 first and pull through 2. So this is how you continue. I will make a few more and then get back to you. I'll make one more and show you. Choose the bottom V, insert your hook under the bottom V, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 first, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll make few more stitches and get back to you. I've completed 15 single crochets, and this is how This is formed and you get a neat edge also at the bottom. So this technique, foundation chainless crochets, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, any foundation chainless crochet stitches can be done. I will show you half double crochet and double crochet now. So for half double crochet, chain 2. The only difference between single crochet and half double crochet chainless foundation is that you yarn over and insert your hook here. So this is little taller than your single crochet, and here also you need a base stitch, and then this forms the side. Pull through one first, yarn over and pull through all the 3. So your half double crochet is done. Again yarn over, insert in the bottom V, I made it little tight. I should have made it So pull through one first and pull, yarn over, pull through all the 3. So 2 half double crochets have been done, worked. Again continue the stitch to as many stitches as you like. When you make foundation, chainless foundation stitches, you go by number of stitches and not by number of chains that are required for a pattern. So you should remember that. So otherwise your crochet mathematics will go wrong for your pattern chosen. So we go by the number of stitches and not by number of chains. I shall do a few more stitches and get back to you. This is how the chainless foundation half double crochets look. They look like normal double crochets worked over any number of chains, but this is a convenient way of beginning our work and it gives us a neat finish too. Okay, now let us see how we work chainless foundation double crochets. So for making the double crochet, generally most of us will start with chain 3, but I'll start with chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I start in a different way too. I'll show that to you a little later. Then yarn over the hook, insert your hook in the first chain, pick up the yarn, pull through, then pull through 1. This pull through 1 is very important for chainless foundation stitches. Hold this so that it is not becoming very tight, then pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over, you need to insert under the V here. Picking up this V is very important, and once you pull the loop through that V, pull up that loop little longer so that the base stitch does not become very tight. First yarn over, pull through that one stitch, one loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over once. If you make a longer chain and 2, it will be treble. Now we are doing double crochet. So continue for a few more stitches. I shall make a few more stitches and get back to you. I'll show you once more. Yarn over the hook, turn your left and work little towards you and locate that V. This is the V here. Insert your hook under that V, under both the loops of the V, not in single loop. If you work in the single loop, it will be dangling. It will not look like a foundation double crochet stitches. Yarn over, pull through 1 first, and then yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So continue for a few more stitches. I shall make few more stitches and get back to you. This is how the chainless double crochets look for the base. Again, you need to go by the number of stitches required for a pattern and not by the number of chains required for the pattern when you work with standing chainless stitches, chainless crochet stitches. Okay, then I told you I'll be showing you how I start my first double crochet without the chain 3. So for that I make 2 chains, and this loop I pull it up little high. I'm going to do standing twisted standalone double crochet. So twist and insert in the very first stitch here, pick up the yarn, pull through this loop and pull through behind this twisted loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So your double crochet is made. We have a loop here. So the next one we're going to work here. So yarn over, insert your hook in this part, pull out, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and this tail end you pull it tight. Henceforth it's the same way as we work for chainless foundation double crochets. Locate the V, only the first stitch changes. I prefer to work in this way and I avoid the chain 3s and chain 2s to the maximum possible. So continue in this manner to make the chainless double crochets. Thank you friends for watching. Hope you enjoyed this small video, and if you have anything in particular, any particular stitch for which you require a video, do post in your comments, and what you like, feel free to post in the comment, and whatever is possible from our end we shall do. Thank you friends for watching. Bye for now.